Good morning students, this is Joy Varghese from Uncovering Chemistry. Today in video 5, unit 1, some basic concept of chemistry. Topic 1.4, that is uncertainty in measurement. In that we are going to discuss about scientific notation, multiplication and division of scientific notation. No, that is scientific numbers, what is it? And addition and subtraction of scientific notation numbers, what we say, right? So first uncertainty in measurement, what it is, we will see from your textbook, and what is the use of converting the numbers into scientific notation, that we are going to study. Okay, the next part. Now, uncertainty in measurement, when you say, many a times in the study of chemistry, one has to deal with the experimental data as well as the theoretical calculations. There are meaningful ways to handle the numbers conveniently and present the data realistically with certainty to the extent possible. These ideas are discussed below in detail. First of all, scientific notation. Now, when we talk about this part, you can see here, as chemistry is the study of atoms and molecules which have extremely low mass and are present, what we say, in extremely large numbers. A chemist has to deal with a number as large as what is given here. For the molecules of 2 grams of hydrogen gas, or as small as this much number gas of a hydrogen atom. Similarly, other constants such as Planck's constant, what you have already studied in second chapter, structure of atom, speed of light, charges on particles, etc. involve number of the above magnitudes. Now, it may look funny for a moment to write or count number involving so many zeros, but it offers a real challenge to do simple mathematical operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. With such numbers, you can write any two number of the above type and try one of the operation you like to accept as a challenge, and then you will really appreciate the difficulty in handling such number. Now, suppose this I will explain it through an example. Now, scientific notation, when we say how to convert a given value, suppose this value into a scientific notation, right? But before, what is scientific notation? So you can say it is an exponential notation in which any number can be represented in the form n into 10 raised to n, where n is an exponent having positive or negative values, and capital N is a number that is called digit term. In your textbook it is given on page number 11, you can see page 11 textbook. Okay, you go through it, right? This part what is given there, which varies between 1.00 and 9.99. That is this digit what I am talking about, right? Now, how to means it should not be a 0. Before decimal, the digit must not be a 0. That is, suppose if this number what I am talking about, that is 232.508, you have to convert it into which notation? The scientific notation, right? So how you will convert? This is example 1 what we say here. So what I will do, I will shift this decimal on this side. So what it will be? 32508 into 10 raised to, how many places I shifted? To 2 places. So it will be 10 raised to 2, right? Now I shifted on left side. Which side? Left side. So 10 raised to n means the n value will be positive. Understood what I am talking about? How many places I shifted? 2 places. So that's why 10 raised to 2. So if you shift on left side, it will be a positive exponent, what we say. Understood? Now suppose one another example we take. Example 2. Suppose it is written 0.00016, right? So we have seen it should be either before decimal, it should be 1 or 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number, but a single digit, and it should be up to 9 digits. So what I will do, I will shift this decimal here, you can see. So I will get this one. So now the value will be 1.6 into, now how many places I shifted? So 4 places. So it will be 10 raised to minus 4. Means if the decimal is shifted on which side? You can see here, right side. Which side? Right side. Then 10 raised to n means n value will be negative. Understood this part? So this is the part what we are discussing about scientific notation. So this is the way how to convert it into scientific notation. That is, if you shift it on left side, then 10 raised to n value exponent will be positive. If you shift it on right side, then it will be negative. Understood? Understood. So this is the way to remember. Okay. Now the next part. Now we are going to discuss about multiplication and division, what we say, of scientific, these types of number. Okay. Next. Okay. Now multiplication first we will discuss. We are going to discuss about multiplication. Now in that, suppose a number is there, 5.6 into 10 raised to 5 multiplied by 6.9 into 10 raised to 8. So multiplication rule, I think you know the identities. Now if you have anything 10 raised to a into 10 raised to b, it will be 10 raised to a plus b if a multiplication is there. Understood? So now suppose if I want to multiply this, it will be like this. That is, I will write 5.6 into 6.9 into 10 raised to 5 plus 8 I will do, because multiplicative, I think identity you know, no? So what it will be? It will be 5.69 means 38.64 into 10 raised to 13. Now this is not scientific notation, so you have to convert it. So what I will do? I will shift this decimal on which side? On your left side. Left side means 3.864. So now here it will be what? It will be equal to 10 raised to 13. How many places I shifted? 1. So we have seen here, if you remember, if you shift it on the left side, you have to positive value will be there. So how many places I shifted here? If you see, 1 place. So it will be 13 plus 1. So it will be 3.864 into 10 raised to 14. This is your scientific notation of the values given. Okay. So this was multiplication. Understood? Now one more example, if you want, we can take of multiplication, and then we will go through the division part. Okay. See another example. This you can write it down in your fair book. Multiplication of scientific notation number. Now this is example number 2. Suppose it is given 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is negative value. Understood? Into 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Right? So when this type of number is there, same 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus, you can write it in bracket, plus minus 6. So what it will be? 9.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 6. So which is equal to, sorry, one mistake we did here. 9.8 into 2.5, right? Into 2.5 into, we'll just write it again. It will be 9.8 into 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus minus 6. So which is equal to 9.8 into 2.5 you do, it will be 24.50 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 6. So 24.50 into 10 raised to minus 8. Now I will shift this decimal here. So if right side, if you shift, how many places? 1. So 2.450 into 10 raised to, this is minus 8. So which side I shifted? On left side. So here plus 1. How many places? Only 1 place I shifted. So it will be now how much it will be? 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is your answer. Understood? So this is very important part for further calculations when we do. Okay. Now division we will see. Now division of scientific notation number is the easiest part what we say. So in that, suppose you take an example of 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 5.5 into 10 raised to 4, like this if you do, right? So what you can do, 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 5.5 into 10 raised to 4, right? So now suppose if I want to divide, it will be 2.7 divided by 5.5, right? And when we say division, the identity you know, what you have to do, into 10 raised to minus 3, and this is plus 4, what we say, plus 4. So when this goes in numerator, it will be minus 4. Understood? Minus 3, minus 4. So subtraction will be there when division is there. Multiplication is there, addition, what we have seen in further example. So now here it will be 2.7 divided by, if you divide it, it will be 0.4909 into 10 raised to minus 7. So further, if I shift this decimal here, one place, so it will be 4.909. Now I have shifted it on which side? Left side. How many places? One places. So negative, so minus 1. Understood? So which is equal to 4.909 into 10 raised to minus 8. This is your answer for division of scientific notation. Understood? Now the next part. Next part, when we say it will be addition and subtraction, what we say, and it is little bit interesting. Now we are going to discuss about addition and subtraction, right? So now suppose addition, when we say here in this case, example is there, 6.65 into 10 raised to 4, right, plus 8.95 into 10 raised to 3. Understood? Now whenever addition and subtraction is there, always remember the exponent or the power of 10 must be same. So here it is not same, what we say, right? Multiplication, division, it is okay, but in addition and subtraction, the 10 raised to n, that is nth power, must be same. So what I will do, I will just write like this, 6.65 into 10 raised to 4 plus what I can do, 0.895 into, means what I did, I shifted decimal on which side? Right side, to make 10 raised to 4. So it will be 10 raised to 3, which side? One place on left side, so plus 1, what we say, right? So now it will be same. So 6.65 into 10 raised to 4, what we can write here, plus 0.895 into 10 raised to 4, right? So now it is easy. So 6.65 plus 0.895, and this one is common in this, right? So into 10 raised to 4 common, right? So which is equal to, if you add this, you will get 7.545 into 10 raised to 4. This is your answer for addition. Understood? So for addition or subtraction, you have to make the power same, okay, of 10. Okay, now the next part, subtraction, when we say. Okay, now the subtraction. Okay, subtraction example, if we take this, all examples you have to write it in your fair book. Remember this thing. Subtraction, when we write, suppose a number is given 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 3, like this, what is given. Understood? So here what we will do, 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus this, I will make a minus 2 here. So what it will be, decimal I will shift on this side, that is on your left side. So 0.48 into 10 raised to minus 3 plus 1 it will be. So which is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 0.48 into 10 raised to minus 2. So which is equal to 2.5 minus 0.48 into, this is common now, so 10 raised to minus 2. So which is equal to 2.02 into 10 raised to minus 2. So this is your answer for subtraction of this. Okay. So I think now this part you understood, how to add subtract, divide or multiply scientific notation and how to convert into scientific notation. Okay, so when we say here, you can easily see if you shift the decimal on the left side, then power of 10 or exponent will be positive plus positive value, and if you shift on the right side, it is negative value. Okay, so we will stop here. Next time we will be continuing with the significant figure. Thank you.